Leadership isn't just about making decisions, it's about leading through challenges. And in today's world, there's absolutely one quality that stands above the rest: resilience. Resilient leaders don't just survive tough times though, they thrive in them. They inspire their teams to adapt to uncertainty and turn obstacles into opportunities for growth. Here's how resilient leaders shape organizational success. 1, they focus on solutions. Challenges, of course, are inevitable, so they prioritize what's possible instead of dwelling on problems. Number 2, they foster team resilience. Create a culture where your team feels empowered to take on challenges together. And thirdly, they lead by example. They show adaptability and a positive attitude. And that's contagious. So when leaders lead with resilience, the whole organization thrives. Teams become more innovative, collaborative, and ready for whatever comes next. As I mentioned in the past, resilient leadership isn't about avoiding challenges. It's about navigating them with strength and with purpose. So build resilience, inspire your team, and drive success. Keep on pushing.